house where I saw so many plants, like cucumber plants and different. And also, my most favorite part was when I was going on the farm tour. I could see the soyabeans and even I saw two traps.
Okay.
So I even like the Jeevamrutham. Now I could use that and get free vegetables at my home.
It was a wonderful experience for the kids to learn the hands-on activity and doing the soil mixing, the
Jeevamrutham.
that thing, and yeah, it was an amazing experience, and they could connect with our current unit resources. Thank you so much.